Hello everyone, welcome to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have square root of 15 plus square root of 21 plus square root of 25 plus square root of 35 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus square root of 20. So we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form, and I hope so you like this method. So we move toward the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is first we will record that this equation is equals to a. So we take this expression equals to a, and now we rewrite this expression as a is equals to, we write this 15 as 3 times of 5 plus we write 21 as 3 times of 7 plus we write 25 as 5 times of 5, and we write 35 as 5 times of 7, and it is divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus this is square root of 20, and we write it as 4 times of 5 becomes 20. And further in the next step, we apply square root on each of these values separately on both of these two terms, and it will become square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 5 plus square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 7 plus square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 plus square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 7, and it is divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus this will become square root of 4 times of square root of 5. And further in the next step, if you focus on first two terms and the last two terms, we have in the first two terms we have square root of 3 be the common value, or so when you take common square root of 3 we get the remaining values are square root of 5 plus square root of 7. In the same pattern from last two terms we have square root of 5 be the common term. After taking common this we get the remaining values are square root of 5 plus square root of 7, and it is divided by this is square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus we know that square root of 4 becomes 2 times of square root of 5. And now in the next step, again you see that in the numerator side we have square root of 5 plus 7 be the common factor, so that we will be take common this term and we get the remaining values are square root of 5 plus square root of 7 times. From here we obtain square root of 3 plus, from here we will get square root of 5, and it is divided by this is square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus this is 2 times of square root of 5, and we rewrite this term as square root of 5 plus square root of 5. So this is the value of a, and now here we rewrite this expression as this is square root of 5 plus square root of 7, and this is square root of 3 plus square root of 5. So here we make the pair of square root of 5 and 7 and square root of 5 and square root of 3. So after making these pairs, we get a square root of 5 plus a square root of 7 plus here we get a square root of 3 plus square root of 5. So this is the value of a, and here now in the next step, in order to write the simplified form, we need a little bit substitution here, so that we will be take here a nice substitution. So we take this term is equals to x, so we have x is equals to square root of 5 plus square root of 7, and we take this term is equals to y, and we get y is equals to square root of 3 plus square root of 5. So when you substitute both of these two values into the above expression, it will becomes a is equals to, this will be equals to x, and this will be equals to y, divided by this will becomes x plus y. So in the next step here we need more simplifications, and we just simplify these terms, and we get here our a is equals to xy multiplied by x plus y. So further in the next step here we need to take the reciprocal on both of the sides, and when we take reciprocal we get 1 over a equals to x plus y divided by x times of y. So here we break this fraction and we write it as x divided by xy plus y divided by xy. This x and this x are gone and we get 1 over a equals to 1 over y plus this y and this y are gone and we get here 1 over x. So in the next step, here we just move backward and we substitute the values of x and y, and we will take here our y is equals to square root of 3 plus square root of 5, and we choose our x is equals to square root of 5 plus square root of 7. And now here we need to rationalize both of these two terms, and it will become 1 over square root of 3 plus square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 3 minus square root of 5 divided by square root of 3 minus square root of 5 plus, in the same pattern we have 1 over square root of 5 plus square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 5 minus square root of 7 divided by square root of 5 minus square root of 7. And now in the next step we have this is square root of 3 minus square root of 5 divided by, here we combine these two terms and we get square root of 3 whole square minus square root of 5 whole square. In the same pattern we write these terms as square root of 5 minus square root of 7 divided by square root of 5 whole square minus square root of 7 and its whole square. So in the next step, we need more simplification, and we have these 2 and square root are gone, this and this are gone. In the same pattern, these 2 and square roots are also gone. And we get square root of 3 minus square root of 5 divided by 3 minus 5 becomes minus 2 plus. Here we have square root of 5 minus square root of 7 divided by, this is again 5 minus 7 and again 5 minus 7 becomes minus 2. So here we again take the LCM of this term and its LCM becomes minus 2, and we get the remaining values are 3 minus square root of 5 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 7. So this and these terms are gone and we will get here square root of 3 minus square root of 7 divided by minus 2, and this is the value of 1 over a. So here we multiply this negative sign on both of these two values and it will become the square root of 7 minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So here our target is to find the values of a. So we again take the reciprocal. So we obtain a equals to 2 divided by square root of 7 minus square root of 3. And here we again rationalize these terms and we get square root of 7 plus square root of 3 divided by square root of 7 plus square root of 3. So here we need more simplifications and we have this is a equals to 2 times of square root of 7 plus square root of 3 divided by, we again write these terms as square root of 7 whole square minus square root of 3 and its whole square. So this will becomes 2 times of square root of 7 plus square root of 3 divided by, this 2 and square root are gone and we get here 7 minus 3. And finally we have our a equals to 2 times of square root of 7 plus square root of 3 divided by 7 minus 3 becomes 4. This is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and finally we have the final simplified form of the given question is square root of 7 plus square root of 3 divided by 2. This is the final simplified form of the given question and this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.